Hi, this is Songci, and welcome to the video documentation of map of Songci. The map of Songci is a web-based interactive data visualization project, and this project focuses on the relationship between the cities in the Song Dynasty and the specific style of Chinese poetry, Songci. And hopefully this project would help you understand better of the poetry and also the history of Song Dynasty. You can see this introduction by clicking the button on the menu. The data resource of this project, of course, is Songci. My original data comes from GitHub. This guy called Jackie Gao collected all the poetries in the Songci collection, 全宋词. And you can see that each of this data point contains the author, the paragraphs, which is the content, and also the rhythmic name of one poetry. And in order to find a numeric aspect of this data set for me to visualize it, I thought of the cities. If you're a Chinese, you're probably familiar with the Yangzhou or maybe Hangzhou appeared in Songci. So basically what I did is I collected all the Songci poetries that contain the name of one city and put them into different sheets. And also there's one conclusive sheet that contains the information of the cities and also the Chinese poetry. And let's get to the main visualization part. So you can see this is a map of China, and and there are 4 regions, which is North, East, South Central, and Southwest. When you click on each of them, the map will get you to a detailed region, and each of these black dots appeared represents one city, and you can click on them to see the information. So here you can see I collected all the different names for one cities and find out which one is the most common name. And also I counted the occurrence of the city names in the Songci. And also here the information also contains the 3 poets that contribute the most to the cities that appeared in Songci. And you can change to different cities by simply clicking on these dots. And when you want to explore more about other regions, you can click this home button to get back to the big map. And also, if you want to see a statistical graph of this data, you can click on this button, and now you can see these are all the occurrence of different cities, and they are now put into graphs. And when your mouse hovers on different each of them, the detailed information will show up on the graph too. And if you click on this exchange button, you can change the way those bars are sorted. So now they're sorted by regions. When you click on it again, it will just simply sort it by occurrence again. So this is the main visualization part of it. And also this button will control the volume of the background music. And this button would open the GitHub page for you, on which you can read more information about this project. So as for compromises I made, of course, is the data, because I'm not very good at processing the Chinese characters. So basically, I just counted the names. But actually, if you really want to see if one poetry is pointing to one city, you will actually spend more time and read it. And this is the compromise I made. And also for the future development, besides processing the data better, I I kind of want to fill this map in another way. So now you can see this map is somehow a little bit blank, but what I want to do is to add events on the cities. So I can add a filter of years and then and put important events in history on the map. So you can actually see what happened in what year and in which area. And that's all. Thank you for your time.